Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing how to actually fix your Elgato stream cam and have it show up in OBS or whatever else. And right now it's saying the signal is just not coming through. It's black, no signal at all. Let's go over how to actually fix this. This won't take too long to explain because this happened to me. And ladies and gentlemen, the main issue here is your cable. It's your micro H, I think it's called mini HDMI. I could be wrong on that. Mini HDMI to HDMI cable going from your camera to your actual, Elgato sort of capture card, right? That plugs into your PC. The reason I was having this issue is my cable just broke and I didn't really realize it. I went on my Lumix G7, switched the camera mode, and for some reason it's just destroyed my cable, and it just hasn't worked since. I've been like trying to fiddle with the settings and seeing if I can get it to work. Nothing worked. Just ordered a new cable on Amazon, a mini HDMI cable. Plug it right in, plug it straight back into my PC. Literally no issues. Popped up immediately. For the Elgato, stream cam or Camlink. Called Camlink. The Camlink wasn't working strictly because of the cable. It wasn't the Camlink itself. It wasn't my PC. It wasn't any drivers. It was strictly the cable, and that's probably what you're going through. So, if you have a sec. Okay, got it right here. You have Elgato Camlink that looks like this. See Camlink? It is the cable that is causing you issues. I'll link the cable I have right here on Amazon that I picked up on Amazon. So this is the cable that it should look like. Sort of like mini HDMI to regular HDMI, plugs in the rear, and then this plugs into your actual PC. So yeah, there's a lot of videos out there like making all these like complicated claims on like how to actually fix it and all this stuff, and it doesn't work. It's overcomplicating it. And yeah, it comes down to just a simple cable issue for the most part. I bet this works for like 99% of people watching this video. Just go out and buy a new cable because your cable probably broke somehow. I don't know. The signal got corrupted, fried the whole thing. I don't know. Apparently when you switch modes on the Lumix G7, that just can happen. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. This is a short video. I thought I'd make this for the internet because I know this was causing me a hassle, and I want to help other people out there who are probably like researching all over the internet and looking for a solution. So I won't waste any more time. Go and pick up a new cable. Links below. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe to the channel if you like these sort of videos. I'm trying to help you guys out as much as I can. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video from Scott Tyler. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.